With a diesel-powered Camel Trophy Land Rover, one can, in principle, drive through almost any depth of water. In principle. The essential requirement is that one can get out the other side. The best snorkel in the world, you can see it at the front near the windscreen, is not much use otherwise. And wheel-deep water poses no problem for a petrol engine model. However, you should be sure that this depth will not be exceeded. So it pays to check this, as well as the nature of the ground beneath the water, before proceeding. If you want to go any deeper than this, you will need to prepare your Land or Range Rover accordingly. Screwed into a threaded dummy hole in the timing chain housing, you will find a plug. Unscrew it and use the plug as a seal to keep water out of the timing chain housing. You will find a discharge plug in the tool roll. Screw this into the flywheel housing or the clutch housing to prevent the grease being washed out and dirty water entering the housing and damaging the clutch. Finally, loosen the fan belt to avoid the extra resistance generated by a submerged fan. Now you can go in above the wheels, but no further than headlight depth. And if you adjust your speed until there is a trough behind the bow wave, the ignition system and the air filter will stay dry. Avoid crossing flowing water at right angles, but try to do so at an angle of about 45 degrees. The current will have a much smaller surface to act on. Here, too, you must pay attention to the nature of the ground beneath the water and adapt your speed accordingly. Mud demands a brisk speed, whereas stony ground, as in this example, should be taken more slowly. After taking your bath, don't forget to retighten the fan belt and open the plugged holes again. Above all, though, check the brakes, because wet brake linings don't always grip properly.